You look happy, but there is tension in the bedroom. Nagging woman, tension in the bedroom. You look bold, but there is tension in the bedroom. Full of ego, but there is tension in the bedroom. A lying husband, tension in the bedroom. A cheating wife, there is tension in your bedroom. A lazy woman, there is tension in your bedroom. Mr. Busy Man, I see tension in your bedroom. What kind of life is this? Tension everywhere, even in a bedroom. In a bedroom. What kind of life is this? Tension everywhere, even in a bedroom. In a bedroom. So
the phone has been ringing.
Baby. So you know say yesterday na swearing in.
Wetin go happen?
They swear new governors in. Sanwo-Olu for Lagos, Dapo for Ogun, and other states like that. Some houses they go dey cry, some they go dey happy. My own house we no go cry, na happiness go be our portion.
So wetin that one come teach me?
Which one you dey talk again?
Shebi you dey run your own speech, I dey talk my own. So wetin come different with wetin I dey talk?
Na happiness go be my own o. Those people now, na wow.
I don hear abeg, I no disturb me. Wow.
Shey my talk don dey disturb you now?
Dey disturb me. Wow. Who dey help?
Who your governor? If governor no dey, shey you go.
You wey you be your husband sef, who you help?
Who me I help?
You
go talk am again. Make me too, make God bless me.
So you wan join politics?
Make I join politics. You want make I join politics?
I no send you anything wey you like join.
I go join now, no wahala. Now even Tope Meko dey call me. That mechanic wey I carry that my cluster give. Na him dey call now. I no know wetin do the car, just service am.
He no go fit finish am.
Why?
Because he dey busy.
Tope dey busy.
You better stand up, go meet and make you help you do am, because if you stand here, you no go do am for you.
Na why I no wan pick him call, so I go just go there, go collect my car and direct. Why you dey call me?
So you go comot for house, go meet Tope Meko.
To collect the car.
To collect the car. No problem.
In fact, you can even put my phone.
So you go there, go.
Silence.
You better tell am make you fix that car, because you don't know say that cross that one carry comot or something.
No worry, my wife.
Make una dey there, make una dey do rubbish.
I don't need to pick him call. I go go meet am.
Okay.
My wife. Tope dey mad. Why Tope dey call me? Why I dey house? You wan finish me with call? You wan spoil my house? This Tope wan put fire for my bedroom. Then you go say I get sense. I come save am with Tope Meko. He say my so that my wife no go think say na mechanic dey call me. Na Meko you go be last. Tope. I even call am back sef. My oga no call me. I don die. What kind of life is this? Hello, madam.
Hello. You are a bloody indolence. You are not even ready to work. Now listen. You are fired.
Hello, Oga. Hey, Oga don vex o. Hey, I don miss contract. 3 million contract o because of Meko.
Wetin happen? Why you dey shout?
Hey, my wife. I don miss contract o. Hey, contract 3 million contract. So my Oga call me, my wife.
Hey, wetin come happen?
Na Oga call me. I don miss Oga call.
Why you miss Oga call?
I put my phone for silent.
You say why you no go miss Oga call? Shebi na because of Tope Meko. You no know say I don pick Tope Meko inside. You no know say I don see na woman dey bear that name.
You know me.
You think say you dey use Saka Manje for me?
You pick Tope Meko for me.
And anybody wey wan put fire for my bedroom, na so im life go scatter. Na so you no go see peace. Na so you go dey miss everything I pick am. See, because of that stupid girl, you miss the 3 million. Do you know how many years you been running to even see one contract? You see this house?
No,
na my papa property.
I know.
Na my own inheritance.
know.
You don't get anything.
Ah.
You never see Dr. Emeko. Ali! Dr. Emeko!
Mommy, they go. Mommy, they go. I don't need contact 3 million because of something. Nobody don't spoil my life. Nobody don't go better for you. Nobody don't go better for you. You don't spoil my life, oh. Because of you, at the edge, make my wife no say.
So much.
Now you, no woman, you call me. I saw her with
In
Nepo.
every home, don't trust her. Oh yeah, I smell pretense causing